Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming the essentials and opening the project. First, run Flutter Doctor to ensure SDK and platform tools are present. Then open your app in Android Studio and switch to Android View so resource folders are visible. Locate Android/app/src/main where Android manifest. XML lives and then res/ which holds mipmap and drawable folders. Once done, you're ready to replace icon assets. This minimizes guesswork and makes the next steps direct and reproducible. Now you generate and place the icon files. Create adaptive icons with separate foreground and background layers and legacy icons for compatibility. Use 48/512px sizes or an icon generator to produce all mipmap densities. Once exported, copy each file into Android/app/src/main/res/mipmap/mdpi, HDPI, XHDPI, XXXHDPI, preserving the original file names like Ike Launcher and Ike Launcher Round. Make sure file formats are PNG or finish by telling the app which icon to use and verifying deployment. Update Android manifest. XML or confirm application ID and icon references in app/build. Gradle point to Ike Launcher and Ike Launcher Round, then run Flutter clean followed by Flutter pubget and Flutter run on a device or emulator. Make sure to uninstall previous app if the icon doesn't update. If you still see the old icon, clear emulator cache or check that file names and density folders match exactly. Mismatched names are the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.